Spindle Replacement Kit. Installation instructions for part number 6509488. Remove left side grinding wheel grip knob, square key, and belt cover. Loosen the 4 socket head cap screws on the motor plate to remove the poly V belt. Loosen the 2 set screws on the spindle pulley and remove pulley, square key, and pulley spacer. Push on the right side of the spindle pulley assembly to compress the conical washers. Using a retaining ring pliers, remove the retaining ring from the spindle assembly. Remove the spindle assembly by lightly tapping on the left end with a rubber mallet, and then remove the ball bearing. Remove and discard the old design pulley spacer and old design retaining ring. The new design has a bearing sleeve and a lock nut. To reassemble, place the 4 conical washers, 2 pairs nested, then 2 pairs back to back. Thoroughly clean the housing bore and the outside diameter of both bearings. Apply Loctite to the outside diameter of the bearings. Slide the spindle assembly into the right side of the grinding head housing. Install the bearing sleeve against the bearing on the spindle assembly. Slip fit the new left side ball bearing into the spindle assembly and into the grinding head housing. Apply Loctite to the inside thread of the 9/16 inch nut. And install onto the spindle shaft with the groove side towards the bearing. Use a spanner wrench on the right side of the spindle and a 7/8 inch deep well socket on the left side. Torque the lock nut to 15 foot-pounds. Apply Loctite to the bore of the pulley and the 2 pulley set screws. Replace the square key and install the new pulley, pushing the counterbore side of the pulley against the spindle nut with no end play. Install the new external retaining ring on the spindle shaft. Remount the poly V belt, replace the belt cover, square key, and remount the grinding wheel grip knob.